Welcome to Extraterrestrial Reality. I'm here at Asbury Park in New Jersey, and behind me is the Atlantic Ocean, and maybe we'll see some drones here flying in over the ocean. Just recently we heard that Representative Chris Smith of New Jersey, talking about a police officer who witnessed 50 drones flying in over the ocean, and maybe we'll see something like that here tonight. I have no idea, but that's why I'm here today. I wanted to get some comments from the Monmouth sheriff, and unfortunately I was unable to speak with that gentleman today because he wasn't there. I showed up at the Monmouth police station, or excuse me, the Monmouth Sheriff's Department building, and I wasn't able to speak to anybody there. However, I'm sure a lot of those people are busy right now, but right now this is where I'm at. I'm at Asbury Park in New Jersey. But I've heard today there's sightings all over the East Coast right now. Connecticut, Maryland. It's not just New Jersey anymore, not just New York. It's other states now. People are seeing these all over the place. You had John Kirby, the National Security Communications Advisor, stating yesterday that it's mass hysteria. Blamed it on mass hysteria. But a lot of people, other officials, are biting back against that one, and they don't believe that. So I guess we'll find out someday, or maybe we won't. But I'm here today. I'm going to stay for a few hours. I'm going to stay until the sun goes down. I'm going to see if anything comes popping up over the skies here and flies in from the ocean. We'll find out. But this is a really nice spot. I bet it'd be a lot better if it was warmer out, because right now it's freezing here. Let me tell you something. It's cold. You gotta say, I'll tell you what, it's beautiful. You gotta really appreciate this. Here, let me flip it around. Look at that. You look way out there, it looks like there's a sailboat out there. There it is. There's a sailboat out there. You can see it. Yeah. Yeah. Moon's in the sky right now. And maybe there'll be other things in the sky later on. So this will be a short one for now, but maybe I'm sure I'll be chiming in at some point later on today. But anyway, thanks for joining me here today.